Hello students, welcome to Lucky Gate. This is a question in GATE 2014 asked for 2 marks from the subject probability. Now coming to the question, a 4 fair 6-sided dice are rolled. So the number of dice rolled are 4. 4 dice are rolled. If 4 dice are rolled, the number of possible outcomes are equals to 6 to the power of 4, which is equals to 1296. The set of possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space. Now the sample space possible for rolling this 6-sided dice for 4 times will be equals to 6 to the power of 4. Suppose if it is rolled for 1 dice, 1 time, number of possible outcomes are 6. If we have 2 dice, the number of possible outcomes are 6 square, that is 36. Similarly, if there are n dice are rolled or n times a die is rolled, then the possible outcomes are 6 to the power of n. Here in this case, a die is rolled for 4 times, the possible outcomes are 1296, which is equals to the 6 to the power of 4. Now, the number of favorable cases we need to find. The number of favorable cases whose sum being 22. Now, the favorable cases for sum being 22, which is equals to, what are the possibilities? The possibilities are 6, 6, 6 and 4. It means first 3 times 6, 6, 6 and the 4th time it is 4. Okay, then total is 22. And see here, I have assumed that first time you rolled it is 6, second time you rolled 6, third time you rolled 6, then 4th time if it is 4, then sum is totally 22. But here it is not compulsory that first time, second time, third time you should get 6. It means you should get 6 for 3 times. 1 time the die should, when it is rolled, it should be 4. So means there are totally 4 cases are there. The number of possible arrangements for these 4 possibilities, 6, 6, 6, 4, which is equals to 4 factorial by 6 is to be repeated for 3 times, which is equals to 3 factorial. There are totally 4 possibilities. Here the point is the number of permutations. Here I am writing the number of permutations of n times or n things, the number of permutations of n things in which p things are of type 1 and q things are of type 2 and so on, and remaining are of different things. So the number of permutations are n factorial by p factorial into q factorial. Here you see there are totally 4 things are there. First roll 6, second roll 6, third roll 6 and 4th time you rolled 4. But these rollings can be arranged in how many number of ways? 4 factorial by this 6, 6 is to be repeated for 3 times, then by 3 factorial, which is equal to 4. This is one of the possibility. And what is the other possibility to become the sum being 22? 6, 6 and 5 and 5. The total sum, it is 22. For 6, 6, 5, 5, the possible arrangements is equals to 4 factorial by 6 you have to appear for 2 times, 5 need to appear for 2 times. So means 6 to be repeated for 2 times, 2 factorial, and 5 also to be repeated for 2 times, 2 factorial. 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, it is being 6. Now these are the 2 favorable cases where sum being 22. Now the total favorable cases, which is equals to 4 plus 6, which is equals to 10. The probability that the sum being 22 which is equals to the number of favorable cases by the total possible cases, that is a sample space, that is 1296. This is a probability. Now what is given in the question? In the question it is given the x by 1296 is the probability, x by 1296. The question is what is the value of x? Now what is the value of x? The value of x is equals to 10. So answer is 10 for the question. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.